Namaste, my name is Chef Vikram Vij, and I am the co-owner of Vij's Restaurant Rangoli and My Shanti. Welcome to Camping Chef. Vij's has been around for 25 years and it is a modern Indian restaurant with background of India and flair and presentation of North America. I'm going to make you a Vij's family chicken curry. Now, this dish is perfect for camping because it has all the spices and the flavors that you would need, but it also has the love of the chef that has made it for you. You can have it with rice or with bread or whatever you want it with. Great thing about Vij's family chicken curry is that it even tastes better the next day because it's had time to rest and relax and give out its full flavors. Fundamental steps of any delicious curry: onions, ginger and garlic. Saute them up nicely, make them brown, lots of flavors. Then deglaze the pan with a little bit of tomatoes. So you know that goodness, that crispiness that the onions get from the bottom of the pan, that tomatoes deglazes them. And then you have to add your spices. Of course, paprika, turmeric, cumin, coriander, red chilies and garam masala. Once you've added that, then you add your chicken. Cook it down slowly, let it just kind of settle down and marinate itself and give it its beautiful flavors. Then you add the cream at the end just to kind of tie in all these beautiful spices so that let the magic come through with sour cream. And just before you're serving, add a little bit of fresh cilantro to it because cilantro at the end will give that beautiful aromas and flavors. Sit back, relax, while I prepare a Vij's family chicken curry for you. Namaste. Thank you for joining me in making Vij's family chicken curry. Hope you enjoyed it, and please visit us at www.vij's.ca. I'm Vikram Vij, co-owner of Vij's Restaurants.